Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. In our last video, we complete this section of the header sections. Okay, let's do the pages part of this tutorial. So these pages I need these are the pages we needed. So this is a components folder. So I'm going to go to SRC, new folder. You have to make the folder which is a pages. This pages folder I'm going to make first page as home page. Home.jsx. Okay, so what you're going to do is app.js is same design, same thing. I just copy it, paste it over here. This one I make it as home. So here we have a export default home. Okay, so this is a home page. So we have to make it as home. Okay, so second page I'm going to make it as login page. So you have to write pages or login dot jsx. The same home page, just control C to copy, control is to paste over here. This one should be the login. Copy and paste login. This also you have to modify at login. Okay, this will make the things. So after that, another page I'm going to create, which is a product page dot jsx. This also I'm going to get this login the same model, copy and paste it over here. This one I'm going to change it as product. Copy and paste it over here. This product. This is a product. Or the another page I'm going to create product details. Product details dot jsx. This also this copy control C, copy control V to paste over here. This one also the product details. Copy and paste it over here. This one should be the product details. Okay, that's it. These are the pages we have to create. Okay, right? So these are the pages we have created successfully. Now let's do the routing part. Okay, so we need a routing part, that is must. Okay, now let's do the routing part. So routing part, you have to go to here, routing part, react router down. Click on this. You have to install them. When you what is the route, which mean is it is defining the path where your URL is going. Okay, we have to give the path where your URL is going. Okay, so you have to do the another open up the another terminal. Sorry, you have to install them by click on this, the clipboard. You have to paste on it, press enter key. You have to install them, the path where your URL management system. Okay, if the URL is coming home, it goes to the home page. If the URL is coming login, it goes to the login page. If the URL is coming product, it will be redirected to the product page. Okay, so we have to go to the app.js. This JX. What you're going to do is I'm going to make the URL management system. Okay, I'm going to make the URL management. Right. So how to manage the URLs? So here what I'm going to do is first I'm going to go to add the thing is okay, here first you have to add it, import, you have to write browser router. Okay, this is the under the package of uh, router down. Okay, we already installed that dependencies. Under router routes comma routes. Okay, from so write from this one, from react down. Okay, from react top, right? From React top, this package. Now what you are going to see here, this one, I'm going to import it here. After the head tag, this is the head tag. After that, the category sections. After that, we have to write the pages part. How to write it over here? You have to write it here. Browser router, browser router, open and close bracket. Here we have to write it here. When the request is coming, you have to write the router routes. Here you have to write route path equal, it's coming slash or slash elements. Within the bracket we have type categories, sorry, not categories, here the home. You have to write home. So home, this is the home where is decided, it will be automatically take the path. Okay, over here. After that, when the route is coming, when the route is coming, here, here you type here login. Yes, sorry, here register. This of the register. Sorry, you have to write login. Right, register also. I haven't made the register page also. Register page also. Register. JSX. The login. Just copy. Control C to copy. Control V to paste over here. This one should be the register. We have to function create it. What is a register? Register also. You have to write this one should be the register. Okay. Right. When the path the URLs. When the URL is coming, products. Let's go to the product control. Product come page. Okay. These are the URL. We have to write it over here. Okay. Now let's test that. File save all. So let's test that. Slash register the register is we haven't completed yet, so sorry. The register, what I'm going to use here, register compound, why it's not taking the path. Okay, here JSFX okay, so register, you click on this. Now imported successfully. Now let's save all. Here the register is working. Here its register is done. If it is product, it's called the product page. Here it's product page. Okay, so register products. Okay, so it will be going to the page successfully here. Okay, here if when the URL is coming, the page is coming successfully. Here it's working successfully. Okay, but it's a login. Also we are making as a login route as well. Login. You can see the where it resided. Now let's type. So login. Login. It's also login. Okay, it's perfectly done. We have done the thing is perfectly well. I hope you guys you understood things well. uh, I'm getting touch with my another tutorial. Please you have to watch them because this is very must how to defining the URL management system. This is very must these things. Okay, this how you have import the router. Okay, browser router routes. These are the arguments you have to pass it. These are things you have to import it here. Route browser router routes. Third one is this one is a route. This is under the package of router down, React router down. Okay, thank you for watching.